I don't know about you, but I have seen so many ads for the Luxe Lash Lift set that I had to try it on camera, right here, right now. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here from Coils and Curls. We are unboxing today the Luxe Lash Lift set. Instead of going to a salon and getting your eyelashes done, this is supposed to take care of it for you. I am going to put it to the test. We know how much I love my aging eyelashes, my maturing eyelashes. So we're gonna see what this is all about. I should probably put my glasses on for this so I can actually see. Maybe that's what I'll do. Yay, let's see what this is all about. Oh, dream big and shine bright with your new lashes. And I hope to. I like everything is individually boxed. They give you detailed instructions, which if you have aging eyes, this can be a little difficult to read. I have my iPad on their website for their Luxe Lash Lift tutorial. This way it's bigger and I can read it easier. They give you step-by-step instructions and definitely larger type than in the little booklet. I like that. To clean my eyelids and my lashes, I'll be using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is an all-in-one replump with hyaluronic acid. No oil, alcohol, or fragrance. So they say you want to clean it because you want the curl pads to stick properly. Now, I did put a little makeup on just so that my dark circles were covered a little more. Had on some blush, put my eyebrows on. I hope it doesn't affect anything. Maybe I should do my left one first, since that's the one that's like really messed up from sleeping. Okay, change. After cleansing, you're supposed to gently pat dry. They say this step is important to ensure that the silicone pad stays in position during the treatment. Step 2, apply the silicone pads. How to choose them. They have 5 different silicone pads, and each one gives you a different curl. They say if you're unsure, go with the M. That's this one up here. And then they get softer as they go down. I'm not sure if I should go for M. I'm kind of afraid it's going to be too much. But I mean, I guess it'll relax. I sound like an owl. The lift pads right here. I took my gabapentin. I'm hoping I'm not shaking too much. Oh, they're all individually wrapped. That's S, M2, L. Are you supposed to do these at the same time? Because they give you 2. Here's the M, and last but not least, the M1. So what do? Do I do them at the same time? You're supposed to cover with saran wrap. I think I should only do one eye at a time. This is going to take a while. Pro tip. If you're not satisfied with the lash pad you choose, don't worry, you can always redo the application later on. We'll provide more information about this later in the process. Optional tips, sometimes the lash pad can be too large. Resolve this, simply trim the outer edge of the lash pad to fit. So that's the rounded part. Remove the protective film from the back of the silicone pad. Stick the pad to your upper eyelid. I totally need my magnifying mirror. All right, my curlies, I'm hoping you can see this. I think I might have to trim these. It goes very far out past my lash. You're supposed to hold it for 30 seconds. Of course, I put it on and off so often that I probably ruined the stickiness. Okay, the inside is not sticking. And there was a way to fix that. This did not stick properly. We're going to hope this placement is good. It's very hard to open your eye when you have this on. Apply a bit of glue to the edges. Let it dry for 10 seconds. The glue dries fast and press it down firmly. Do I go for it anyway, or do I put some glue in the corner? I'll leave it and hope for the best. Is the adhesive. Step 3, apply the glue to fix your lashes. Now apply the lash glue to the top of the lash pads and wait 10 to 20 seconds for the glue to dry before pushing your lashes on the pad. Pro tip, don't apply too much glue as it can prevent the lotions from properly penetrating and absorbing into your lashes. Oh, I guess you use the comb. So we have the Lash Lift comb. Then there's the perm solution, the fix solution, and the nourish lotion, along with applicators. Oh, how interesting. It's a three-sided thing with a comb, the flat edge, and I guess this is where you hold it. Now, they say when you're fixing your lashes to the pad to use the Y form or the cotton stick. They say it might be easier with the white cotton stick. Totally should not have put this form on. So these are them, I'm assuming. And then they have smaller, tiny ones. I'm not sure what these are for. I really should have checked this out. I mean, I read it, but I didn't take everything out because I wanted to show it all to you and do it all. And so now I'm sitting here with a closed eye. This is ridiculous. All right, so this is the adhesive. You don't want too much. How do you know if you're applying too much or not enough? I guess you find out. Now I can't see to get this back in. So first we're going to try the Y thing. All right, this is not working very well. Oh, was I just supposed to push and not? Crap. All right, maybe we'll use this instead. Now I would think this is where placement comes in. Yes. This is definitely a learning curve. I think I needed to brush the lashes before I applied the glue so that they actually were in a better position. The lotion is going to set them in that position. So you want to make sure that the lashes are laying the way you want them to totally lay. So let's try this again. And then you have to let it sit for a couple of seconds. This is not staying. Wow, I think that's going to be way too much. But it's a learning curve. Oh, if any lashes are not sticking, apply a small amount of glue with the micro stick and press the lash tip for extra strength and hold. Hers is lifting in the corner too. Now I don't feel so bad. Apply Perm Lotion 1 to the mid section of your lashes for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on lash thickness. Optional, cover them with a cling film, but make sure to leave out the tip of the lashes. Otherwise, the tip of the lashes will curl. If you see any lotion on the lash tips, gently remove it with a cotton swab or stick. There is not much mid to my lashes. It looks like she's using one of these, which are different sizes. This is a little plastic, so you have to rip off the top. So I'm taking a very tiny little bit just to the midsection. It's just hard when your lashes are short. Get it off the tips. I am not going to put plastic wrap over this because, in all honesty, I believe I might be too inept. So I'm going to set the timer for 12 minutes and then I'll be back. The 12 minutes are up. It says to remove with cotton. I want to make sure I get it all off. I don't think I got all my lashes in. We'll have to see. Always a learning curve, my curlies. And you apply the fix lotion with one of these, along with the fix lotion. And it looks like they apply it generously. And then cover them with cling film and leave it on for an additional 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes for light and thin lashes. Okay, so I guess mine are, well, they're not really light, thin. If you see any lotion on the lash tips, gently remove it with a cotton swab or stick. Oh, we're having so much fun, aren't we? See? Ooh! Okay, a lot came out. I lost my mirror. No, have to take off the glasses. Can you see? I can't see. All right, that's way too much. Get it off the tips. I should have been using this mirror all along. It's much better. Okay, learning curve. The next one will be better. Cover it with film. Crazy, but okay. I'll see you in a little while. Now I am supposed to remove the fix lotion. Remove with a dry cotton swab after processing. It's going to be very exciting to see the results. Now, another thing I did is that I bought their Luxe Tint Set. This is desperation for having to do less to get ready for anything. It opens with their little magnetic, cute little box. They say that you can do this after you do the fix lotion. This is interesting. I mixed up a pea-size amount of both the color and the oxidant gel. And I mixed it in a little bowl. And now apply. So from root to tip, they said, don't worry if it's brown. It will start to process. And that's with any color. Do you know I've never tinted my eyelashes? Ever. I wonder if this will make a difference. Now they say 3 minutes. In the instructions, when you are doing the actual lash lift, in the instructions that come with the lash tint, it says 10 to 12 minutes, I think. It is time to remove the color from my lashes using a clean, dry cotton swab. Uh-oh, it looks like I got it on my skin. Oops. Well, that's not good. Color on my eye. Under my eye, like I need more help. Then they say water or their cleaner. I'm going to use the micellar. Oh, okay, I made a mess. Oops. And now you're supposed to gently undo the lashes from the glue of the pad. So I'm just going to keep wiping gently in an upward motion. Hopefully I'm not removing lashes in the process. Well, another fun learning curve. Are they all disconnected? The pad is barely on my eye. Remove gently so you don't, ow, pull skin. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, well, it cleaned up with the eye makeup remover a little. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's amazing. Whoa. Oh, this is crazy. All right, well, I have to do a better job for my next eye. Whoa. I haven't had these lashes, wow, since my 30s. Wow, look at that. Look at the difference. Step 5B is apply the Nourish Lotion with a cotton swab to revitalize your lashes, then comb your lashes from the base to the tips. Once again, the little packets, and apply with a cotton swab. Ooh, oh, this came out like it's yellow and it comes out very liquidy all over my fingers now. A couple of them are curled odd, so that should be interesting. Learning curve, right? I tried to straighten them out a little. It didn't seem to work. I will have to be more careful. And now brushing. So some of them, yeah, are curled strange. Everything new is a learning curve. Just like life, it's a learning curve. All right, so now it's time to do the other eye so that I'm even. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, they feel so weird. Oh my gosh, but I can see them. I can actually see my lashes now. I'm going to get started on my next eye, and I will be back. Zeus and I want you to stick around till the end so that you can see the final look. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below. Hit the subscribe if you haven't. Because if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to share me. This is a woman thing. Our eyelashes. I always had great eyelashes that didn't need mascara. And so I would like to have my youthful lashes back. Okay, my mic was not on for about 2 minutes here. My lips were moving, but there was nothing coming out. Right here, I'm applying the perm lotion. I'll see you in 12 minutes. As I was gluing the lashes to the pad. I did it in sections. This way I wasn't fighting with the glue drying. I figured just do it piece by piece. And then this way it'll lay nicely. And I think I did a much better job. Now I'll be putting on the Fix lotion just in the center spot, and then I'll put the cling wrap on. I almost couldn't hit the record button because I could barely see it. Well, my 12 minutes are up. Zeus is playing. What else is new? Now for the color, I am going to try to be more careful here. I want to make sure everything is covered, even though they're not all attached. It's funny. All right, well, hopefully I have enough at the base and I won't get it on my skin again. Wish me luck. Are you ready? Let's take off the pad and see what we have. Definitely need to do a better job at attaching them to my eyes. Wow. All right, this one I didn't do as good of a job. The other side has more curl. And to think I took more time with this eye and I don't like the results as much. I mean, I like the results, just not as much. What do you think? I am going to use the nourishing lotion. I'm going to apply it with my finger. All right, I needed more on the ends right here, the color. All right, not bad for a first attempt. Okay, so this side is really wacky. I'm going to have to fix those somehow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, those are like all over the globe. Well, I did see something where you can relax them a little bit. So that will be in the future. That was not a bad first try with the Luxe Lash Lift set and their tint set. If anyone has tried Lash Lift by Luxe, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys think, if you like the results, and I will definitely choose a different size pad, especially because my lashes are so short and sparse now. Maturing. Especially with the 5'8" coming up for me. I'm getting closer to the 6'0", my girlies. So much closer to the 6'0". We have coffee because it's early. So until next week, ciao for now. So many ads for the Lash Lift. I don't know about you. But I have seen, no. I'm trying it for you today, my curlies. No. So let's see what this is all about, my curlies. How do we open it? Does it slide? Oh no, it lifts. Oh wow, I can't even read that. I swear I'll be lucky if I get this video posted. Let's. Thank God it didn't break. Right on cue, right? Right on cue, my boy. I can't get this shit open. Okay, I'm getting aggravated. Yes, dear. What are they? Packets? Yeah, they're packets. Have you seen that Lash Luxe? No, Lash... crap.